My favorite thing about MPW is the culture and the way people interact with one another. It's very welcoming.
Something I like a lot about MPW is the welcoming nature of the people here. I thought it was pretty easy to get along with everybody when I got into the building.
Probably my favorite thing about MPW is that the culture here, everyone is super willing to help each other. Everyone's willing to lend a hand whenever you need it. You can just ask and they're more than willing.
For my job, I've done a lot of laptop replacement work and fix-it tickets for people, and as well as a lot of inventory work for the IT department.
And over the summer, I've worked on capturing content at different events or when departments are out in the community working on things.
I've been working with, going out with field with the guys to replace water and electric meters.
I've been hands-on with infrastructure planning, developing proposals and working on cost estimates for future water main repairs.
One of the things I worked on at MPW is the product evaluation committee. Another important part of my internship was transformer placement and fault studies.
A lot of project management. I've learned to work with contractors a lot on certain projects down at the power plant. I started off in the safety department and I had a great experience talking with a bunch of the people because the safety department interacts with all the other departments during safety trainings, all the different meetings that they attend. So I got to know a bunch of the people that I'm working with now in engineering back last summer.
I've been working on policies and procedures and attending committees, helping to implement security controls throughout the organization.
I've helped with the employee recognition luncheon. I've sat in a lot of interviews and done a lot of the onboarding process.
And just the collaboration, especially for supply chain, because you got a lot of different parties that need to work well together in order for it to be successful.
Fun thing that I enjoyed about MPW are all the intern events. It seems like the whole town of Muscatine is sort of around building the community of interns, and I really appreciated that.
The main thing I like about MPW is there's a lot of people that know a lot of things, so there's a lot to learn whether it's in your department or somewhere else in the building.
What I like most about MPW is the opportunity to work with so many different departments, and probably most of all the people that are here. It's really been a good time getting to know everybody here. It's been a blast here, and I would definitely recommend signing up to do an internship here at MPW.
Definitely a great experience, and I would recommend it to anyone else that wants to do an internship here. It's a fantastic place to be.